Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So
How are you?
it's a good morning for only for 5-10 people, I guess. What about rest? Is it not a good morning or a bad morning? Is it?
Good morning. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good, dear. Thank you. Okay, so new day, new beginning. I don't know. Maybe you are not saying a good morning because it's bad morning for you guys, but I'll try to make a good for you people. It's a new day and a new beginning. We will start with the session where we will learn about the lotions, creams, and body butters. But before starting the session, I would like to know the brief introduction about you guys. That what's the purpose? Do you want to use it for yourself? Do you have any kind of business? So you want to grow it, or you want to do it for a startup? And how you come to know about us? And if you are doing as a hobby as well, you can let us know so that in future as well, I will guide you accordingly. Okay. So it's not possible to take an introduction for everyone in a single day, but in a 3 day, I will try to cover with everyone. Okay, so whosoever wants to tell me about them can raise the hand on a Zoom app. Is I'm audible to rest of the people?
Yes, you are audible to everyone.
Okay. Please raise your hands so that we can complete the introduction part and let's move forward to the session.
वॉल्यूम
Yes,
बहुत कम
Hema.
है आप आवाज बहुत कम आ रही है
Mhm. Give me a second. Okay, yes, Hema, you can tell us about yourself.
Yeah, hi, this is Hema here. I'm working as a private employee and I wanted to do this course for myself, I mean, for my family, as well as, sell out to my internal friends group and, some contacts. So it's basically, from a business perspective as well as for myself as well.
Okay,
So this is
so
just a
are
little.
you dealing with any other products or it's just a startup?
It's just a startup. I have actually made few soaps, but then not into all the products. So I have another, the Insta account which I maintain for that itself. So I'll share my Insta account details as well in the group once the session is done.
Sure, sure, sure.
Hello,
Okay.
ma'am. It's me, Swati.
Hello. One by one, please raise your hand so that it will not be necessary for other people as well. I'll ask the name and we will take the introduction part. Okay, Nidhi ji. Nidhi ji,
Hi, good morning.
good morning, dear.
Uh,
If guys, it's possible for you to switch on your camera, it will look good to give an introduction.
what?
Yeah,
I
please
can't hear
carry
you.
on.
Hello?
Is it possible to switch on your camera? It will be look good to have an introduction part. And if
Hello.
it's not, then not a problem.
Ma'am, voice is very low, not audible properly.
For how many people it's audible clearly?
It is audible, but then it's not very clear, like how you actually get through mic. It's not so clear. So it's audible, but not so
Oh,
clear. I think that's what everyone is facing issue with.
Agreed. Audible but not clear.
I guess you can actually keep a mic or something or a headset or something like that.
Hi, I'm Sonia and I'm from Surat. Me doing this course is just to know how to make
How
all
to
these things.
make,
I'm
but
not
for
into
what
business.
purpose?
It is
Just
just for,
as a hobby, you are trying this for yourself.
yes, exactly, just for an hobby.
Okay.
Actually,
Okay.
I was very attracted. I came of this thing on the Facebook and I messaged
Mm-hmm.
you that time only,
Okay.
but
Fine.
couldn't connect somehow. It is just an
Fine.
hobby purpose.
Okay. Good. Great. And you are from?
Gujarat, Surat.
Okay. Great place. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Next we have a Leena ji.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, dear.
Hello. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, dear. Thank you for asking.
Yeah, ma'am. My name is Leena Das Sengar and I'm from Indore.
Hmm.
And a little bit मैं हिंदी में बोल सकती हूँ ना?
Yes, yes, you can speak in Hindi as well. That's not a problem. मुझे समझ आना चाहिए.
हाँ. Actually मैं नॉर्मली बिजनेस करती हूँ बट रीसेलिंग में तो मैं चाह रही थी कि मैं खुद इससे सीख कर करना चाहती हूँ.
Okay. Are you attending a first session for cosmetic preparation or you have done anything before as well?
मेरी फर्स्ट है मैम.
Okay. Fine. ठीक है. Yes, Geeta ji.
Am I audible?
Yes, dear, you are audible.
Uh, I'm Geeta. I'm from Tamil Nadu. I work in a private organization. I just wanted to join this session to prepare it for myself and to my family members. This is the first time. I hope you, while prepare after this workshop, also you will be helping us to do. If to, will you clear our doubts?
Yes, I'll clear the doubts, and that's why I'm taking
No,
the introduction part so that I can help you in
no,
that
no.
particular way
Uh,
after the session as well.
okay, okay,
Okay. I'm not
okay, okay,
able to pronounce this
okay.
name Alamelu.
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 Yeah.
Okay. Yes, dear.
Hi, I'm Alamelu and I'm from Chennai, Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So I work in IT and just now I'm trying to learn something about cosmetics. And as of now, I don't have any idea to start up a company or business like that. But
Hmm.
I'm just trying to use it for myself first. And then if my friends are okay with that, then I'll help them out. And if there is a need, then I may start startup later.
Okay. Okay. Got you. Anyone else who wants to give an introduction part?
Hello, I'm Swati.
Yes, dear.
स्वाति हरियाणा से.
Hmm.
मैंने एज ए हॉबी स्टार्ट किया था
ठीक
बट
है.
अब सबको मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स पसंद आ रहे हैं. फेस वॉशेस, सोप्स एंड
Okay.
फेस मास्क. तो मैंने improve करने के लिए इसका ज्वाइन किया, लोशंस एंड क्रीम.
Okay. So you do prepare by yourself and you do a reselling.
मैम मैं नहीं रीसेलिंग नहीं करती मैम. मैं खुद बनाती हूँ और मैं फार्मासिस्ट भी हूँ.
Okay. Great.
हाँ जी.
Okay. So
तो
do
मैंने
you
एज ए
deal with
बिजनेस के
creams,
लिए.
lotions as well?
नो मैम.
Okay.
No
Okay.
creams, lotion, dry hair mask, face washes, soaps, shampoos.
Got you. Got you. Got you. Okay. Yes, Meenal ji. Meenal ji. Uh, Please don't raise a hand like this. Raise your hands on a Zoom app so I'll be able to see everyone. In a picture, I'm not able to see everyone. Na? In a Zoom app, you will get the option to raise your hands. Okay. Anyone else? No problem, Poonam ji. Um, Dr. Pooja, I guess you want to say something.
मैं ना मैम ये पर्पस से सीख रही हूँ, बिजनेस पर्पस से, क्योंकि मैं जैसे कि आई एम ए कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट डूइंग मास्टर्स इन फेशियल एस्थेटिक्स फ्रॉम लास्ट 20 इयर्स।
Okay.
मेरा कंप्लीट सेटअप है, जिस वजह से मैं सारे ये मार्केट चलाती हूँ, पैक्स भी, लोशंस भी, क्रीम्स भी, तो उनको मैं डिस्पेंस करती हूँ। तो मैंने आपका फेसबुक पे ये देखा तो मुझे लगा कि ये शायद मेरे लिए बेनिफिशियल रहेगा अगर मुझे प्रॉपर से सारा गाइडेंस मिल गई, तो फिर मैं एक अपना ब्रांड बना के भी उसको प्रमोट करना चाहती हूँ।
ठीक है.
तो क्या ये इस चीज में कोई हेल्प मिलेगी मुझे?
Got
ये
you, got
बताइए।
you. Got you. After the third session, you guys will let me know that it will help you or not. ठीक है, because अब जो 3 दिन होना है वो तो होना है. I can't change that ना. So after on the third day, we will ask feedbacks from you guys. Okay. Now the video clarity and the voice is clear to everyone. First of all.
It's
Yes.
perfect. It's
Yes,
perfect.
yes, perfect, perfect.
Okay. Now, the few things I want to tell you. The first is I know there are so many students who are not comfortable in Hindi and so many students who are not comfortable in English as well. Okay. So, as a human, I can't translate each sentence, but PDF is in English and I'll try to explain everything in Hindi and English in both the languages. Meanwhile, if you guys have any doubt, you can write it in a chat box. Please don't unmute in between. It creates a problem for you guys because it's not for the people who are not able to attend the live. It's for you as well to see a recording again. Okay, so every time when you see a recording you will find a something new on it. तो आपको भी ये सेशन खत्म होने के बाद एज अ रिविजन आपको ये चेक करना है. Now the second point, the way I do teach is different. For some people it is good, for some people maybe they don't like, but the way I do teach is not about the formulation and recipes only. Okay, I will not supposed to give a particular recipes to you guys to prepare your creams, lotions or anything. I will take this session in three basic things. The first one is the formulation, of course, for creams, lotions and body butters. Second, we will look after about the ingredients, and the third day, last day, we will see the demonstration part. By the end of the session, you guys will able to prepare your own products. But the third point for that, you guys need to study for that. Okay, you are not be like that to depend on me for everything. Okay, if you will not study, I will can't help you out आफ्टर दिस सेशन एज वेल. ठीक है, आपको पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है. क्या पढ़ना है, कैसे करना है, कैसे इंग्रेडिएंट्स चूज करने हैं, आई विल लेट यू नो. लेकिन आफ्टर दिस सेशन इट्स योर ड्यूटी टू कंप्लीट द होमवर्क एंड डू द रिविजन. तभी आप सेकेंड डे मुझसे डाउट्स क्लियर कर सकते हो. क्लियर विद एवरीवन? So let's move forward with the PDF. Let's start with the session. So many of you are new to a Derma Science family, and many of them are already a part of my family as well from other sessions. So the first one, I'll welcome you in my family. I always try to support my students afterwards as well. But yes, again, I'm saying if you are doing this because just because of the formulations and you are thinking in this particular industry, there is no scope to study, only you can prepare so many things. So it's not like that. You need to study a lot in this as well. Okay? So welcome you guys. The first thing I have told you, I have divided this session in three particular portions. The first one is formulation, the second is ingredients knowledge, and the Thursday we will see the demonstration part. Okay, I hope you all guys have applied a lotion, cream or a body butter once in your life, right? So anyone can tell me what major difference or minor difference you can judge by their application or physical appearance or texture. क्या आपको difference लगता है lotion, cream और body butter में, उसे देख के, उसे लगा के, उसकी packaging देख के? Okay. body butters are thick and sticky. Okay. You guys can raise your hand. It's more comfortable to cover up fast. Okay, give me a minute. Yes, Hemaji.
Yeah, so body butters are complete thick in nature than creams. Lotions are comparatively much more smoother and easier to apply. They're much more lighter. So if you want to apply something on the skin, lotions are much more easier, but then body butters give you a much more good effect for dry skin.
ठीक है. Anything else? Yes, Dr. Anupriya.
Low, it's free flowing in texture compared to thicker. These body butters seem to be, they are more effective of course, but they seem to be somewhat greasy type compared to the creams or lotions.
Okay, but why body butters are sticky and thick? Why lotions are lightweight? The reason behind that?
Because in body butters we usually use something like shea butter or cocoa butter.
We use that. We use that in lotions and creams as well.
But that depends on the quantity in which we use these butters. In creams and lotions, I guess the quantity of butters used is very minimal. But in body butters, it seems to be more.
Okay, ठीक है. Yes, Swati ji.
Yes, ma'am. Same body butters are thick because there are oils and butters, no water in that formulation.
Very good. This is the answer. We will not say that we have a less quantity of oils or butters in it. The answer is because the water proportion in lotions are higher than according to creams and body butters. Okay. So let's see the major difference, the minor difference as well regarding the packaging, texture and everything.
In lotions come in a flip top cap. They are liquidy form होते हैं. जो creams होती हैं थोड़ी सी thick होती हैं, तो वो containers जैसे 50 gram containers and 100 gram containers में आती हैं. Same as body butters, they come in wide mouth containers because they are sticky. We had to put fingers in it to come out. I think so.
Very good, very good. Okay, let's see the PDF now. Okay, the first one we have lotions. Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
The first one is lotion. Why we use a lotion, the packaging type and everything tend to have higher water content. Why? That is the correct thing, that it's in lightweight. But why? Because the water proportion in lotions are higher as compared to oil and body butter. The second thing, it's easier to apply. Why? Because it's in lightweight. Third, easily absorbable in body. Why? Again, because it is a lightweight and have more water content. Non-greasy. Why non-greasy? Because we are adding a less amount of oil and body butters into this. The last, mainly available in tube form. Don't judge the packaging. I'm not talking about the packaging we are doing as a homemade products. The commercial packaging of lotions comes in a tube form or a pump bottles. Now, why we use a lotion butters and where we use a lotion butters? Lotion. One more thing, guys, in my session, every time there are so many things I will tell you apart from the PDF as well. So I request you to make your own notes, so it will help you guys in after the session as well. So lotion can be used for dry skin, for oily skin, for sensitive skin. Simply, lotion can be used by person who is having any type of skin. The second thing, lotions are prepared for the body, not for the face, not for the facial skin. It is used for the body. Clear? Now coming to the second one, that we have a creams, higher in oil and butter concentration. Now one more thing, जो हमारा ऑयल प्रपोर्शन है, पानी का प्रपोर्शन है, वो लोशंस में ऑफ कोर्स ज्यादा होता है एज कंपेयर टू ऑयल एंड बॉडी बटर. इफ आई टॉक अबाउट अ क्रीम, इन क्रीम एज वेल द वाटर प्रपोर्शन इज हायर एज कंपेयर टू ऑयल एंड बॉडी बटर. बट व्हेन आई कंपेयर अ क्रीम विद अ लोशन, in that case the proportion of water is lower and the proportion of oil and butter is higher. So in creams the proportion of oil and body concentration is higher. cream में ऑयल और बॉडी बटर ज्यादा डलता है लोशन के अकॉर्डिंग. दोनों में पानी ही ज्यादा डलता है, लेकिन जब हम लोशन और क्रीम को कंपेयर करेंगे तो हमारा क्रीम में हम पानी की वैल्यू थोड़ी कम कर देते हैं लोशन से अकॉर्डिंग. Thick in consistency, why it's thick in consistency? Because we are adding more oil and butter into this consistency. गाढ़ी होती है क्योंकि हम इसमें ऑयल और बटर डालते हैं. Designed heavier, good for winters. Why good for winters? Because we are adding a oil and body butters in higher amount, and we do say that in a winters we do face a dryness problem. So for dryness, what we do apply a creams or lotion which is having a more moisturizing agent that comes from oils and body butters. तो क्रीम में ऑयल और बॉडी बटर होता है जिसकी वजह से वो हमारी ड्राइनेस पे काम करता है, और हम यही कहते हैं कि विंटर्स में हमारी स्किन ड्राई होती है. अवेलेबल इन प्लास्टिक एंड ग्लास जार्स. नाउ वन मोर थिंग, creams are available for facial skin. The second thing, again, creams can be used by any skin type. Can be sensitive, can be dry, can be oily as well. ठीक है? Last we have a body butters. So higher in butter concentration, it's obvious that with the name we can check that it's body butter. So obviously it is heavier in butter concentration. इसमें butters का percentage सबसे ज्यादा होता है. Give intense moisturizer. अब इस word से, इस sentence से I can say that this gives a intense moisturizer. So body butters can be used by the people who is having a extreme dry skin, or having a problem because of the extreme dry skin. It can be psoriasis, it can be eczema, it can be pigmentation, it can be aging problem as well, wrinkle problems as well. So you need to check the skin, you need to judge the skin of your clients, of your skin as well. It's not like a little bit of dryness comes into a body butters, because we have an option of creams as well there. Okay, but extreme dryness means बिल्कुल फटी हुई स्किन हो जाती है. ठीक है? Where we do face these kinds of problem, elbows, knees, calves. Okay, in that particular area we do face extreme dryness and cracked problem. So at that place we do use a body butters. Thick in consistency. Why? Because we are adding a more of body butters into this. Available in plastic and glass jars. Clear till here the differentiate in all three? Okay, we will take a query session as well once I'll complete this. Now, by seeing the difference in all three, we have studied that lotions have more water content. पानी ज़्यादा होता है. Lotions में it is used for any skin type. किसी भी skin type के लिए हम lotions use कर सकते हैं. The third, lotions are prepared for body, not for the facial skin. Lotions body के लिए prepare होते हैं, facial skin के लिए prepare नहीं किए जाते हैं. Creams as per according to lotion comparison, we do add more oil and butter and less water. It is prepared again for all skin type. And third, it is prepared for facial skin. क्रीम्स हम किसी भी स्किन टाइप पे लगा सकते हैं. फेस के लिए प्रिपेयर होती है, बॉडी के लिए प्रिपेयर नहीं की जाती है. और अकॉर्डिंग टू अगर हम उसे लोशन से कंपेयर करें तो ऑयल और बॉडी बटर की जो कंसंट्रेशन है उसमें ज्यादा होता है. कमिंग टू द लास्ट वन, बॉडी बटर. बॉडी बटर बहुत हाई कंसंट्रेशन, बॉडी बटर्स में बटर्स का कंसंट्रेशन बहुत हाई होता है, यानी कि बॉडी बटर्स की परसेंटेज ज्यादा होती है. थिक होता है कंसिस्टेंसी में बिकॉज हम बटर ज्यादा डाल रहे हैं, बहुत फैट होता है उसमें. प्लास्टिक जार्स में अवेलेबल होता है. गिफ्ट इंटेंस मॉइस्चराइजर. इट मीन्स the people who have a extreme dry skin only are allowed to use a body butters. Body butters are not for the people who is having a oily skin or even a normal skin. Why I am saying not for a normal skin? Anyone can tell me the pH value of a skin? Anyone from 28 people?
I think 5.5.
Okay, you think 5.5? It's bit correct. It's in between 4.5 to 5.5. That is towards oiliness. ठीक है, हमारी स्किन ऑलरेडी ऑयली उसका नेचुरल फॉर्म होता है. इफ वी विल प्रोवाइड अ मोर ऑफ ऑयल एंड बटर टू अवर स्किन, इट विल क्रिएट अ मेजर problems for us. ठीक है, which happen because of the oil, more oil secretion. So we will not apply even a body butters to a normal skin because normal skin is also towards a oiliness. ठीक है. Now we will see the differentiate in between the market product and your homemade products. It's important for you guys to convince your client why they go for a products by you people, not for the products who is which is available in the market. Okay. The first one is market products manufactured in big batches and used by different companies with different brand names. This is the thing which we guys as well are doing nowadays, but not in a very big amount or a big patch. We also are doing a reselling. Okay, what we are doing, we are taking a product from someone else and by adding a margin we are selling it to our clients or last come clients. So what we are doing, if suppose I am the owner of my products, I am preparing at home and I am giving two of you, maybe Swati or Anupriya, and they do have their two different brands with two different names and they are providing a same cream, because I am the one who is preparing cream and I'm selling to them and they are reselling their creams with the same formulation which I am preparing, but different with different brand names. Okay, maybe Anupriya have a good brand goodwill and she's selling a product with the amount of 200, and Swati whereas is not having, is just a startup and she is not have a very much goodwill with their brand name, so she is selling with 180. The impact is same, the ingredients are same, the person who is making it is same, that's me, but because of the different brand names they are giving a different price rates. So we are doing in a very small amount, but what happens in the market, they do this thing in a big patches. Different companies like Olay, Garnier, Pond's, they all companies give the project to a single company. Like if they want a aging product, aging cream, they will give a project to a single company and that company will provide that product to all three, but by labeling they will increase and decrease the prices of their product. So it's just a myth. If the product is costly, it is effective as well. तो क्या होता है, मार्केट में बहुत सारी अलग अलग कंपनियां एक ही कंपनी को प्रोडक्ट्स बनाने के लिए देती हैं। क्या पॉन्ड्स की, गार्नियर की, सबके अपनी मैन्युफैक्चरिंग है? नो। अगर आप जब बहुत बड़े स्केल पे बिजनेस भी करोगे अपने ब्रांड नेम को लेके, तो भी हम, एक मिनट, तो भी हमें एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी से ही कांटेक्ट करना पड़ता है जो आपके फॉर्मुलेशन पे काम करे, ठीक है। तो उसके लिए ये नहीं होता कि अगर गार्नियर की क्रीम एजिंग वाली महंगी है और लोग बोल रहे हैं कि इसके अच्छे इंपैक्ट्स आ रहे हैं, सो इट्स नॉट नेसेसरी दैट दे have some other ingredients, and people do label their ingredients but they never mention the percentage of that particular ingredient. अगर हमें पानी की ज्यादा जरूरत है, अगर हमें ऑयल की ज्यादा जरूरत है, so we can't check that. For that we need a percentage which companies don't mention actually. The second difference, market products are mainly prepared with synthetic ingredients. Okay, now so many of you do ask before attending this session, it is a chemical free, preservative free, और ये और फलाना और ढिमकाना, ठीक है, but no cosmetic can be prepared without preservative. People do comment and people do say that chemical free session, organic, and so on. So it is organic, but what's the difference in between chemicals? Chemicals are available in two forms, synthetic and natural chemicals. Synthetic chemicals, you can write the things which I'm telling you. Synthetic chemicals, synthetic ingredients are the one which is prepared in laboratory by mixing so other chemicals, and it is not safe for the skin in certain proportion. इन सर्टेन प्रोपोर्शन से मतलब समझ आता है? जो हवा है ना इन मार्केट, that paraben creates a cancer, paraben creates this much problem and that problem. It's not like that. Paraben or any synthetic ingredient can create a problem till certain percentage, and that percentage is 7. If we are adding a synthetic ingredients into our product more than 7%, then it is harmful for our skin. That's what I'm saying. In market products, they never mention the percentage. So if the synthetic ingredients are more than 7% in our product, so of course it will create a problem to our skin, to our health as well. But the second one, we have a natural ingredients, natural chemicals, which are chemical also, but we get it from by mixing so many ingredients which comes from nature. Natural ingredients are safe to use, eco certified as well. So market products are mainly prepared with the synthetic ingredients which are harmful till certain percentage, and it is prepared by mixing so other synthetic chemicals in laboratory. But the natural chemicals are the one which are safe to use in our skin. It is prepared by the ingredients which are naturally produced. We are using a natural chemicals into our products. The third and last major difference is handmade or homemade products gives the individual right to the person to add the product as per their choice. It means you can customize your product as per your own choice for yourself, for your client, and for the market brands as well. But it's not important that if you visit in the market to buy any cream and you want aging properties, you want a sunscreen protection, you want a dryness resolve item in that particular cream, it's not necessary that you will find all three properties in a single cream. For that you need to buy 3 different creams in, and it as well hassle to apply 3 creams in a
day. But when we come to a homemade, it will gives us a right to prepare a product by our own choice. We can prepare a cream with all three benefits in the single cream, and we can apply that single cream in a twice a day. So the major difference जो अभी तक हमने पढ़े, the first one is market product में हमें बहुत सारी कंपनीज एक ही मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को बिग पैच में कॉन्ट्रैक्ट देती है और वो अलग अलग कंपनीज को वो प्रोडक्ट देते हैं. सिर्फ लेबलिंग की वजह से उसका प्राइस डिफरेंस होता है और कोई कंपनी अच्छी हो जाती है तो उसका प्राइस वैल्यू ज्यादा हो जाता है और बाकियों का कम हो जाता है. लेकिन ये हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, होममेड इंडस्ट्री में ज्यादा नहीं है. मार्केट प्रोडक्ट्स में सिंथेटिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स यूज करते हैं. सिंथेटिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स का मतलब सिंथेटिक केमिकल्स से है. सिंथेटिक केमिकल्स वो होते हैं जो लेबोरेटरी में बहुत सारे केमिकल्स को मिला के बनते हैं. सिंथेटिक केमिकल्स हमारी स्किन के लिए हार्मफुल होते हैं किसी परसेंटेज से ज्यादा. जो नॉर्मल है दैट इज 7, बट हर केमिकल का अपना परसेंटेज होता है. उससे ज्यादा डालने पे वो हमें हार्म करते हैं. जो हम केमिकल्स यूज करेंगे दैट इज नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट्स और नेचुरल केमिकल्स का बनते कैसे हैं, जो हमें नेचर से चीजें प्रोवाइड होती हैं उनको मिक्स करके ही हम वो केमिकल्स प्रिपेयर करते हैं. और हम जो प्रोडक्ट्स बनाएंगे उसमें हम नेचुरल केमिकल्स का ही यूज करेंगे, बिकॉज नथिंग कैन बी प्रिपेयर्ड विदाउट केमिकल्स. ठीक है, इवन अ फूड. द लास्ट डिफरेंस इज जब हम मार्केट में किसी चीज को लेने जाते हैं, अगर आपको बहुत सा एक क्रीम चाहिए, आप क्रीम लेने गए हो, आपको ड्राइनेस की भी प्रॉब्लम है और आपको पिगमेंटेशन की भी प्रॉब्लम है और आपको सन प्रोटेक्शन भी चाहिए, आप एसपीएफ अलग नहीं लगाना चाहते हो, तो मार्केट में ऐसा पॉसिबल नहीं है कि आपको एक क्रीम मिल जाएगी जो आपकी तीनों चीजों पे काम करेगी. उस केस में आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, 3 अलग अलग क्रीम्स लेनी पड़ेंगी. ठीक है, बट हमारे पास होममेड प्रोडक्ट्स में ये इंडिविजुअल राइट होता है कि हम एक ही प्रोडक्ट, एक ही क्रीम बनाएं जिसमें ये तीनों प्रॉपर्टीज डालें. मार्केट में 3 क्रीम लेंगे, उसके बाद पहले तो एक्सपेंसिव ज्यादा हुआ, फिर दूसरी प्रॉब्लम हमें वो 3 क्रीम एक ही दिन में लगानी पड़ेगी, बार बार 2-2 घंटे में. बट अगर हम होममेड के हिसाब से प्रिपेयर करते हैं तो हम तीनों प्रॉपर्टीज एक ही क्रीम में डाल सकते हैं. हमारा कॉस्ट रिडक्शन भी हो गया. साथ ही साथ जब हम इसको अप्लाई करेंगे तो हम दिन में 2 बार सिंपली इस क्रीम को लगा सकते हैं, बार बार हमें चेंज क्रीम करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है. Now you guys can raise your hands if you have any problem. Till we have studied. Yes, Swati ji.
No problem, ma'am. Clear. Everything is clear.
Okay. Anyone else who have any doubt? Is my voice again?
No, ma'am. All clear.
Okay.
Clear.
My voice is clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Govind ji, please check your network settings. And I'm always try to convert the things into Hindi as well. If you will not be able to understand anything, please write it in the chat box. Okay. So till now we have seen the difference in all 3 products and the difference in market products and the homemade products. Now comes to the formulation. Abhi we have discussed the major difference in between major difference in between lotion, creams and body butter. So let's talk about the lotion first. What do you think? What are the mandatory things we need to add in our lotions? क्या चीजें हमें lotions में डालना होता है?
We'll need water, portion of oil.
ठीक है.
Then we need a butter. Then we'll need emulsifiers.
And the last one you have said?
Emulsifiers.
Okay.
Then of course some kind of preservative.
ठीक है. Anyone else?
Glycerin.
The mandatory thing I am asking for. It's not mandatory. Glycerin के बिना भी lotion prepare हो सकता है. Any other? Okay. So Anupriya ji was correct. The things we do require to prepare our lotions are oil, water, to mix them, emulsifier, and lastly a preservatives. The four things are the major one which we do require to prepare our lotions. Now the same thing we do require for creams as well. Lastly comes to body butters. A body butters, how do we prepare a body butters? What do we require to prepare it? Yes, Swati ji.
Emulsifying wax, butters as coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and some essential oils.
Okay. ठीक है.
इतना ही पता है मुझे भी.
ठीक है. दो गलतियां. You will come to know that. Anyone else? Okay. So एक एक करके पढ़ते हैं. I am talking about the things which is mandatory, जिसके बिना लोशन, क्रीम और बॉडी बटर बन नहीं सकता है. ठीक है. इसमें आप बहुत सारे एडिशनल चीज ऐड कर सकते हो. अभी मैं उन चीजों की बात कर रही हूं जिसके बिना लोशन, क्रीम या बॉडी बटर बन नहीं सकता है. People do buy a basis of lotion, creams and body butters as well. इसका मतलब in that base all these ingredients must be added because without that it can't be prepared. तो हमें सबसे पहले हम लोशन की बात करते हैं. लोशन और क्रीम सेम तरीका है. The first thing we need a water. The second thing we need a oil. Now it's natural that water and oil can't be mixed. हो सकते हैं पानी तेल मिक्स कराए क्या कभी? So it can't be mixed. So to mix them we do require a agent or emulsifying agent. It can be so many, but what we will use here, it's emulsifying wax. I will tell you later on what other emulsifying agents you can use. So emulsifying agent is required because we are adding a oil and water into a lotion. So we will add a emulsifier as well. Emulsifier help us to blend oil and water together. Lastly, we need a preservative. How preservative works? To sustain our product for long period of time. हमारे प्रोडक्ट को लंबे समय तक चलाएगा, काम करेगा, उसमें फंगस नहीं लगने देगा, एंटी माइक्रोबियल नहीं लगने देगा, इसलिए हम प्रिजर्वेटिव्स का यूज करते हैं. बट it will be a natural chemical, it will not a synthetic chemical. Okay, so it's done with the lotions and creams. दोनों में हम पानी डालेंगे, ऑयल डालेंगे, इमल्सिफायर डालेंगे दोनों को मिलाने के लिए, और हमारा प्रोडक्ट लंबे समय तक चले इसलिए we will add a preservative into that. Now my question is, why is it necessary to add a water and oil into lotions and creams? What we guys do, we just learn the recipes. This thing are required to add when we will get the product. But why? Yes, Swati ji.
Easy application, ma'am.
No.
Absorbent properties.
No.
Moisturizing.
No. These are all the properties, but why it is mandatory?
Blended?
No.
Ma'am, to get the right consistency?
No.
फॉर मैम सुटेबल फॉर बॉडी, जैसे जो बटर्स होते हैं उनमें वाटर नहीं होता तो वो एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होते बॉडी में, स्टिकी होते हैं, ये स्टिकी नहीं
मैं
होते
बात
इसलिए
ही
इसमें
नहीं कर
वाटर
रही अभी बॉडी बटर की, तो बट लोशन क्रीम्स में पानी और ऑयल डालना क्यों जरूरी है?
Maybe somewhere स्किन के pH को बैलेंस करने के लिए।
ओके, ठीक है।
बॉडी को मॉइस्चर और हाइड्रेशन देने के लिए।
ठीक है, बॉडी को मॉइस्चर एंड हाइड्रेशन देने के लिए। बिट क्लोज्ड। ओके, सो द आंसर इज अवर स्किन इज प्रिपेयर्ड विद ऑयल एंड वाटर। हमारी स्किन पानी और तेल से बनी है और इसीलिए हम उसे पानी और तेल देते हैं। पानी किस लिए देते हैं? सो इट विल गिव्स द हाइड्रेशन। ऑयल किस लिए देते हैं? सो इट विल गिव द मॉइस्चराइजेशन एज वेल एंड द स्किन टेक्सचर विल बी नॉर्मल। पानी और तेल दोनों देते हैं। बट द पर्सन हु इज हैविंग अ वेरी ड्राई स्किन, it means they don't have a oil, it have a less secretion of oil in their body. In that case only we will use a body butters, क्योंकि उसकी ऑलरेडी स्किन में ऑयल कम है, दैट्स व्हाई हम उसे ऑयल दे रहे हैं, पानी नहीं दे रहे हैं। ओके, सो द रीजन व्हाई लोशन एंड क्रीम्स कांट बी प्रिपेयर्ड विद ऑयल एंड वाटर, बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग इट फॉर ऑल स्किन टाइप पीपल। हम हर स्किन टाइप के लिए उसे यूज करना चाहते हैं। एंड स्किन किससे बनी होती है? कैरेटिन। कैरेटिन एक प्रोटीन होता है जहां पे ऑयल और वाटर होता है। ठीक है, सो जो स्किन को चाहिए, जिस चीज से वो बनी है, वही चीज देने से हमारी स्किन ठीक होगी। सो वी नीड अ ऑयल एंड वाटर मैंडेटरी। चलो, नाउ लेट्स सी द बेस फॉर्मूला। Here we have a base formulation for lotions and creams, that is water, oil, emulsifier and preservative. Oil and body butters we both can include. Okay, water plus oil or body butter or both, emulsifier and a preservative. By adding all these things we will get the lotions and creams. Water and oil, because our skin is prepared with oil and water and we are using a lotions and creams for all skin type people, so we do require a something which gives oil and water both to our skin. Emulsifier, why emulsifier? Because emulsifier is having a properties to blend water and oil together. Lastly, preservative, so that our product will sustain for a long period of time. पानी और तेल इसलिए रिक्वायर्ड है क्योंकि हमारी स्किन पानी और तेल से बनी है। अगर हमारी स्किन में कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो उसे ट्रीट करने के लिए हमें पानी और तेल का ही इस्तेमाल करना पड़ेगा। और लोशंस और क्रीम्स हम हर स्किन टाइप पे यूज करते हैं, इसीलिए हम वाटर और ऑयल का यूज यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं। इमल्सिफायर हमें वाटर और ऑयल को मिक्स करने का काम करता है, जिससे पानी और तेल आपस में मिक्स हो जाए। लास्ट हम प्रिजर्वेटिव यूज करेंगे। प्रिजर्वेटिव हमारे प्रोडक्ट्स को लंबी लाइफ देता है, ताकि उसमें कोई माइक्रोबियल फंगस जैसी कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो और वो बहुत लंबे समय तक चले। इन चारों को मिलाकर ही हमें लोशन और क्रीम्स मिलते हैं। ओके, वन मोर थिंग, प्लीज राइट वाटर एज अ बेस हियर। ठीक है, वी विल डिस्कस लेटर ऑन हाउ वी कैलकुलेट अ बेसिस, सो प्लीज राइट बेस इंस्टेड ऑफ वाटर। Now coming to the body butters. So I said that body butters are only used for the people who is having a extreme dry skin. Why I'm saying this? Because we are not supposed to add any water amount in the body butters. हम body butters में पानी नहीं डालते हैं, प्योरली ऑयल और बॉडी बटर से ही बॉडी बटर बनाया जाता है। तो अब इसका फॉर्मुलेशन क्या होगा? सबसे पहले पानी हट गया, सेकंड यहाँ पे ऑयल और बॉडी बटर आ जाएगा, इमल्सिफायर आएगा नहीं आएगा? We do add a emulsifier in the body butters, yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So we will not add a emulsifier into a body butters because emulsifier is used to mix a water and oil together. जब हम body butter में पानी ही नहीं डाल रहे तो हमें mix किस चीज को करने की जरूरत है? ठीक है? So by excluding a water, automatically emulsifier will get excluded with the formulation in the formulation of body butters. हम पानी बॉडी बटर्स में नहीं डालते हैं, वो प्योरली ऑयल और बॉडी बटर से बनता है ताकि एक्सट्रीम ड्राइनेस पे वो काम करे, और पानी हम नहीं डाल रहे तो हमें इमल्सिफायर की भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि इमल्सिफायर पानी और तेल को मिक्स करने के काम आता है। जब हम पानी डालेंगे ही नहीं तो तेल को मिक्स किस में करना है? So we will not add a emulsifier into a body butters. ठीक है? Lastly, we will require a preservative to sustain for a long period of time. So we will add a body butter in body butters. We will add a butters, simply a carrier oil, and lastly a preservative. By adding all three ingredients, we will get our body butters. Clear? Clear? Any doubts, any confusion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, dear. किसी ने बोला confusion है, बताओ.
No, ma'am, clear है.
Okay.
हेलो मैम, मेरे को कंफ्यूजन है.
हाँ जी.
मैम अगर इसमें वाटर नहीं है तो प्रिजर्वेटिव की क्या जरूरत है? जैसे ऑयल्स और जो बटर हैं वो उनकी शेल्फ लाइफ तो वैसे ही ज्यादा होती है, तो
But
प्रिजर्वेटिव.
Who said only in the water product we do add a preservative? Yes, by adding a water, it will create a more risk, but in another sense as well, if it gets in contact with the water, if suppose आपने body butter prepare कर दिया और उसको अपने washroom में रख दिया, तो अगर उसमें पानी चला गया तो again it will create a antimicrobial properties. ठीक है? And for every product, it's only the mandate thing I have told you कि पानी, तेल और पानी, ऑयल, बॉडी बटर्स और प्रिजर्वेटिव आपको यूज करने हैं. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट यू नीड टू एड so many things to give the effects to your body butters, like actives. It can be like so many skin conditioners are there, humectants are there. So by including all these things, we can't make it in a risk. One more thing, guys, you can avoid a preservative if you are preparing it for yourself, but for commercially you are supposed to add a preservative into your product. अगर आपको मार्केट प्लेस पे जाना है, जब बड़े लेवल पे आप काम करोगे, अपना फॉर्मुलेशन अप्रूव करवाओगे गवर्नमेंट से सेल करने के लिए, तो वहां पे आपको प्रिजर्वेटिव मस्ट डालना होगा. ठीक है? So it will be a synthetic. It will not be a synthetic, it will be a natural, but it is mandate because for commercial formulation it is required, and we can't make our product in risk if we are selling it commercially. अगर आप पर्सनल सेल्फ यूज के लिए यूज कर रहे हो तो आप उसको सेफली रखो, पानी से दूर रखो, और आप उसको आराम से 1 साल तक यूज कर सकते हो. लेकिन मार्केट में जब हम प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो हम बल्क रेट पे करते हैं, और सेकेंडली हमारे क्लाइंट्स इतने अच्छे नहीं होते कि वो उसे बहुत संभाल के रखें. ठीक है? सो अगर आप फ्रिज में भी रखते हो तो वहां पे भी पानी की ड्रॉप्स उसमें जाती हैं, सो इट विल क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर योर क्लाइंट एंड यू एज वेल. ओके, एनी अदर डाउट्स? Any other doubts, dear? Yes, no, nothing, maybe, what?
No, ma'am.
Clear.
Okay. Okay, now let's see the formulation that in how much percentage we are supposed to add all these things into our products. Let's talk about the lotions first. Making lotion basic formula. The first one is water or aloe vera gel. I request you guys to please write it as a base here. So base we will use 65 to 80%. Second is stearic acid, that is thickener. Third is emulsifying wax, that is a emulsion agent. Butters and carrier oils both counts as a oils only. So we can add butters, we can add carrier oil, or we can add both. The fifth one is fragrance, and the last one is preservative. Okay, so base is very much necessary. It is required, as we in the previous slide we have learned this. Base is required, emulsifying wax is required, butters and carrier oils is required, preservative is required. Here the two ingredients, raw materials, that is stearic acid and a fragrance, is your choice. How we will decide that? Firstly, the base, the water, is 65 to 80% in lotions. Third, emulsifying wax is 3 to 6%. Emulsifying wax will help you to mix water and oil together. Third is butters and carrier oils, that's in between 6 to 30%. Fragrance is 0.5 to 1%, not more than even a 1%. Preservative is 0.1 to 0.5, not even a 1%. Okay? Now, when you are preparing lotion, आपको you need to decide that how you want to create your formulation. Okay, if you want it more towards oiliness, if you want to if you are preparing it for the people who is having a dry skin, by considering all these things you need to adjust the proportion of base and oils and body butters. How you will do that? If you are preparing a lotion for the use for the people who is having a oily skin, so in that case you can't, if I'm saying butters and carrier oils need to be 6 to 30%, so if you are preparing it for the people who is having a oily skin already, so what will you do? You will reduce the proportion of oils and body butters in between 6 to 30%. 30% is too much, 25 is too much, 20 is too much. So in between 15-20 we will adjust for the people who is having a oily skin. In that case we will increase the proportion of water. How we will do that, I will tell you. अब अगर butters or carrier oils की, when I'll talk about the butters and carrier oils, so we can add only a carrier oil, single carrier oil into our product. We can add a single body butter into our product. We can mix them into our product as well. We can mix 2-3 carrier oils all together. We can mix 2-3 body butters. We can mix 2 body butters, 2 carrier oils. That's totally up to your creativity, but it should not to be exceed more than 30%. Now, coming to the stearic acid. While preparing a lotions, we have a more amount of water into it. So for the thickness purpose, we do use a stearic acid. If you want to prepare in thicker consistency, you can add a stearic acid in between 3 to 6%. It depends how much thickness you do require. कितनी आपको thickness चाहिए, उसके according आप उसमें डालोगे. Fragrance is your choice. Why? If you are preparing a strawberry cream, if you are preparing a cream for acne, so you want a fragrance of neem so that it will be resemble, so you can add a fragrance if you want to, or if your client want to, but not exceed to the percentage of 1. Okay, so again I'm repeating it. लोशन बनाने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें बेस चाहिए। बेस हमारा ज्यादा होता है, पानी हमारा ज्यादा होता है लोशन में, जो कि 65 से 80% तक रहेगा। इमल्सीफाइंग वैक्स हमें पानी और तेल को मिक्स करने के काम आता है, जो 3 to 6% के बीच में हम लेंगे। बटर्स और कैरियर ऑयल्स, आप एक कैरियर ऑयल डालना चाहते हो या एक बटर डालना चाहते हो, 2 कैरियर ऑयल 1 बटर डालना चाहते हो, 2 बटर 2 कैरियर ऑयल डालना चाहते हो, आप कितने भी मिक्स कर सकते हो जैसे आपको प्रिपेयर करना है, लेकिन उसका प्रपोर्शन 6 से 30% के बीच में होना चाहिए। फ्रेग्रेंस आपकी चॉइस है, अगर आपका ऐसा क्लाइंट है या आप मार्केट प्लेस पे काम कर रहे हो तो फ्रेग्रेंस आप डाल सकते हो, ताकि उससे आपके प्रोडक्ट की रिजेम्बलेंस बढ़ जाए। यानी कि अगर आप किसी भी पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम के लिए बना रहे हो और उसका इम्पैक्ट चाहते हो लोगों तक पहुंचे, उन्हें आपके प्रोडक्ट से ही समझ आए कि वो किस चीज के लिए है, तो आप उसमें फ्रेग्रेंस ऐड कर सकते हो। 1% से ज्यादा नहीं डालेंगे, 0.5 से 1% इसका अमाउंट रहता है। प्रिजर्वेटिव 0.1 से 0.5 तक आप डाल सकते हो। स्टेरिक एसिड किस लिए काम आता है? बिकॉज लोशंस में हम पानी ज्यादा डालते हैं, जिसकी वजह से वो पतला हो जाता है, एंड टू मेक इट थिक वी डू रिक्वायर समथिंग some agent that is a steric acid. Steric acid लोशन क्रीम्स में एक थिकनर की तरह काम करता है, उसे गाढ़ा करने के लिए काम आता है। अब ये जरूरी नहीं है स्टेरिक एसिड आपको हमेशा यूज करना पड़े, क्योंकि हमने पहली वाली स्लाइड में ये पढ़ा है स्टेरिक एसिड इज नॉट मैंडेटरी। हम कैसे डिसाइड करेंगे? अगर हम ऐसे किसी के लिए लोशन बना रहे हैं जिसकी ऑयली स्किन है, अब मैंने आपको प्रपोर्शन दिया है कैरियर ऑयल और बॉडी बटर डालने का, जो कि है अप टू 30%, जो कि बिल्कुल लोशन के लिए एक्सीड है, इससे ज्यादा तो नहीं डल सकता। बट किसी की ऑलरेडी ऑयली स्किन है और आप ऐसा लोशन मार्केट में लॉन्च करना चाह रहे हो जो ड्राई स्किन और नॉर्मल स्किन वाले लोग यूज करें, या फिर स्पेसिफिकली उन लोगों के लिए हो जो जिनकी स्किन ऑयली हो, तो आप उसको 30% ऑयल दे दोगे बिल्कुल एक्सेसिव लेवल पे जाके, तो उनके लिए प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है। तो आप क्या करोगे, यहाँ पे मैंने 6 से 30% आपको चॉइस दी है, तो आप इन बिटवीन इसको चूज कर सकते हो, 15-20 जितना भी आपको रिजेम्बलेंस अपना चाहिए। जैसे ही आप यहाँ पे ऑयल की प्रपोर्शन कम करोगे, पानी का प्रपोर्शन बढ़ जाएगा। अब जैसे ही पानी का प्रपोर्शन बढ़ेगा, वहां पे आपकी क्रीम और पतली हो जाएगी, तो उसकी थिकनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए यू नीड टू यूज अ स्टेरिक एसिड। Clear with the formulation of lotions? Clear? How you
Yes,
need
ma'am.
to adjust
Yes,
the percentage?
Yes.
Okay, it's up to you. How many percentage do you want to add? It's up to you that how many carrier oils and how many body butters you want to add as per your problem. If you are making for the person who is having a dry skin, very dry skin, so you can add up to 30%. If you are preparing for the people who is having a oily skin, so you need to reduce this till 15 or 20. If you are preparing for the person who is having a normal skin, so you can adjust into 20-25 in between. Okay, so in this way you need to create that. Okay, now let's move forward to the formulation of creams. Okay, in creams as well, please guys mute yourself. Okay, so again for the cream formulation we do require a base, water, aloe vera gel. The second is emulsifying wax, because to mix a water and oil together. Fragrance up to you. Preservative is up to 0.1 and 0.2 till 0.5%. The proportion of fragrance and preservative is same for all three, whether it is lotion, whether it is cream, whether it is a body butter. So the proportion of fragrance and preservative is same. So please do learn this. Now emulsifying wax will use to blend oil and water together. Butters and carrier oils we are using here. Now you can see that the proportion of base, that is water or aloe vera gel, is again more than as compared to butters and carrier oils, that is 20 to 35%. But when I compare it with the lotion, in lotion formulation the base percentage is up to 80%, but in the cream formulation the base percentage is up to 60%. So if I'll compare it with lotion, it is in less proportion. But again, if I'll calculate the formulation of cream, it is more than a butter and carrier oil. Okay. So now the same thing will goes here as well. If you want to make, if you are preparing for the people who is having a dry skin, you can take the butters and carrier oils up to 35%. If you are preparing it for the normal skin people, you can reduce its 30 or you can take it 25. If you are preparing for the people who is having a oily skin, so you can reduce it to 20%, not less than that. So up to 20 to 35% the proportion you need to take. Now coming to the stearic acid, it's not required more of the time in creams, because in creams we are using a more percentage of butters and carrier oils and less of water as compared to lotions. But again, when you prepare a cream for the people who is having a oily skin, so you will reduce the quantity of butters and carrier oil, that is 20%, and you will increase the percentage of base into this. Now if you want to increase the consistency, so you can add a stearic acid. That's totally your choice, but it's not required, mainly because with the help of butters and carrier oils it will get thicker. So it's totally depends on your formulation. पानी बेस 60% तक हम यूज करेंगे. अगर मैं इसको लोशन से कंपेयर करूं तो ये कम है. लोशन में 80% था, यहाँ पे 60% है. लेकिन मैं क्रीम के फॉर्मुलेशन में ही कंपेयर करूं तो अभी भी ये पानी और तेल से ज्यादा है. इमल्सिफाइंग 6 to 9 हो जाएगा इसमें. बटर्स कैरियर ऑयल 20 to 35%. कोई भी बटर डालो, कोई भी कैरियर ऑयल डालो, 2 डालो, 4 डालो, दोनों साथ में डालो, आपकी चॉइस है. अगर आप ऑयली स्किन पीपल के लिए बना रहे हो तो उस ऑयल की कम परसेंटेज आप इसको कम कर दोगे. जैसे ही कम करोगे पानी की प्रोपोर्शन ऑटोमेटिकली बढ़ जाएगी, और उसके बढ़ने की वजह से हो सकता है जो कंसिस्टेंसी आपको मिली है उससे ज्यादा थिक चाहिए आपको. इस केस में आप स्टेरिक एसिड डाल सकते हो. दैट्स टोटली अप टू यू. अगर ड्राई स्किन पीपल के लिए बना रहे हो तो पूरा ऑयल का यूज करोगे, बटर्स का यूज करोगे, दैट इज अप टू 35%. अगर नॉर्मल स्किन पीपल के लिए बना रहे हो तो 25-30 यू कैन चूज. फ्रेग्रेंस और प्रिजर्वेटिव का प्रपोर्शन लोशन, क्रीम्स एंड बॉडी बटर्स तीनों के लिए सेम रहेगा, तो उसे याद कर लो. Now let's move forward to the last formulation, but before that, if you guys have any query, let me check the chat box. Pooja ji, is stearic acid clear to you now?
Just explain me what you told for making lotions.
In lotion, we do add in lotions we do add more amount of water, and because of that it will get very thin in consistency. Maybe you don't want that very liquidy consistency, so to make it thick we use a stearic acid. Stearic acid works as a thickener. So just to make a thicker consistency, we do add a stearic acid in lotions. We even can add into a creams as well, but it totally depends the formulation how you can prepare. If you are decreasing the quantity of oils, automatically the proportion of water increases, and because of that the consistency we get will not very much thicker. If you want a thickness, so you can add a stearic acid in creams as well.
Got it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Yes, Pooja ji, you can add 2 oils, 3 oils, 2 butters all together up to the percentage I have told you. One more thing, if suppose you have planned to add 2 different carrier oils into your product, it's not necessary that you need to divide both the carrier oils into an equal proportion. It's totally depend how effective and in which problem you want to focus more. When we will go with the ingredients overview, we will come to know this thing. Pooja ji, we will for the ingredients overview, we will take a class tomorrow. With if you guys have any problem regarding the formulation, you can ask that. And about the ingredients which I have told you till now.
I have a question.
Yes, dear.
This aloe vera gel, we should use it natural or like it's available in market?
We will see the ingredients overview tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
It is not both actually. Okay.
Thank you.
Anyone else?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I'm listening you, dear.
Okay, ma'am, we get to see formulations where we use cetyl alcohol. So, can you tell me what is the role it plays in a cream formulation?
We will see it tomorrow.
Ma'am, I have one more question. Yeah, normally in the most of the commercial product that they are claiming that is non-greasy products, right? How we can do that? Is we can do by adjusting the formulations, or is there any agent to do that?
You can non-greasy is just simply means a less of oil and body butters into that, and there are so many oils. Again, it will come to our ingredients overview, but there are so many oils which are non-greasy, which have a property of non-greasiness. So basically there are three things. We can reduce the proportion of oil and body butter, or we can choose the oils and body butter which is having a property of non-greasiness, or we can add a corn flour, that's a corn starch, into our products.
हेलो मैम.
यस
मैम, जो स्टीरिक एसिड है उसका स्किन पे कोई जैसे साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं होता जैसे एसिड
all these are the firstly all these are the natural chemicals, and the second thing, the proportion is very much required. So in the starting as well, I have told you, in the market product they do say that is a natural chemicals or chemical free, but they never mention the proportion of that ingredient which is required. So the proportion we are using is good, safe to use. If you are exceeding the percentage of that thing, then yes, it will create a problem.
Ma'am, is stearic acid or stearyl alcohol is same or different?
Different.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, guys. So let's see how to calculate. Yes, Ruchi ji.
Ma'am, how we calculate the percentage?
That's we are coming next. Okay. Yes. Any other problem? So yes, you guys have many of the doubts, but it's just a first day. So be on hold. We are so many things to come up. Cornstarch for the if you feel so much of greasiness, stickiness into your product, so you can add a cornstarch, but it will not to be recommended because it's very natural product. Rather than that, choose the oils and ingredients which creates a less greasiness. We will come to know about the ingredients overview tomorrow. Okay, now let's see lastly how to calculate the formulation. But before that, please note down your homework, and if you will do the homework, then only I will allow you to ask your questions tomorrow. Otherwise अगर आप नहीं पढ़ोगे तो मेरे लिए पॉसिबल नहीं है कि मैं एक 3 दिन के सेशन में 1 महीने वाला सेशन कंप्लीट कर लूं. So it's important, if you want to prepare different kinds of formulations for pigmentation, dry skin, oily skin, wrinkles, aging, open pores, and healing scars, healing properties. So for all these things you need to study well. So please write down your homework. You need to search at least 20 extracts. You need to search at least 20 extracts with their benefits. Okay, so extracts क्या होते हैं? It's a water soluble compound. We will not go very much deep into this in the lotions and cream sessions, but extracts are water soluble compound and it works as a base only. Now what you guys need to search, there are so many different extract. First of all, extract is something very natural, first of all, with no chemicals into it, very, very natural. The second thing, extracts are the main and important role in our lotions and cream, which gives the impact to our skin solutions, skin problem solutions. So if you want to treat acne, if you want to treat aging, if you want to treat pores, if you want to treat dry skin, if you want to treat oily skin, sunscreen properties, if you want. So for all these things, you need to choose the correct extract. I am giving you example how you can do that. Firstly, you know the problems, and many of you know the names of extracts as well. The people who know the name of extract can search by the name, as suppose strawberry extract benefits for skin, strawberry extract benefits for body. If you are checking out it for the body, it means you want to add it for the body lotions. If you are checking for skin, it means you need to add it for your creams. The person who don't know the name of extracts can search with the name of problem. Extract for aging, extract for scars, extract for pigmentation, extract with healing properties. ठीक है? So in this way you need to search at least 20 extract. How we need to use that, in which proportion and everything, I will tell you tomorrow when we will discuss the ingredients overview. This homework is necessary. हिंदी में भी बता देती हूँ ताकि आपको excuse देने का मौका ना मिले. Extract आपको सर्च, प्लीज गिव मी अ सेकेंड या, आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट सर्च करने हैं. एक्सट्रैक्ट सबसे नेचुरल इंग्रेडिएंट होते हैं और एक्सट्रैक्ट हमारी प्रॉब्लम्स को रिजॉल्व करते हैं. पानी और तेल से सिर्फ हम अपनी स्किन को जो है वो दे रहे हैं, लेकिन जो प्रॉब्लम है उस पे काम करने के लिए हमें एक्सट्रैक्ट्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. एक्सट्रैक्ट को हम वाटर सॉल्यूबल कंपाउंड कहते हैं. एक्सट्रैक्ट को ढूंढने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, अगर आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट के नाम पता है तो आपको एक्सट्रैक्ट का नाम डालना है और उसके बेनिफिट स्किन और बॉडी के लिए निकालने हैं. जैसे कि नीम एक्सट्रैक्ट बेनिफिट फॉर बॉडी, नीम एक्सट्रैक्ट बेनिफिट फॉर स्किन. अगर आपको नाम नहीं पता है तो आपको प्रॉब्लम से एक्सट्रैक्ट के नाम और उसके बेनिफिट्स ढूंढने हैं. लाइक इफ यू वांट फॉर एक्सट्रैक्ट फॉर द एजिंग प्रॉपर्टीज, आपको सर्च करना है एक्सट्रैक्ट फॉर एजिंग. फिर आपको जो भी एक्सट्रैक्ट मिले उसके बेनिफिट्स आपको लिखने हैं, उसके और बेनिफिट आपको वहां पे नाम मिल जाएगा, उससे आप उसके स्किन और बॉडी से रिलेटेड बेनिफिट्स लिख सकते हो. There are so many extracts, Swati ji, so you need to search and write it. Or one more thing, extracts and essential oils are two different things. So I want extract, not essential oils. Yes.
मैम आपने बोला था एक्सट्रैक्ट विथ हीलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज, एक्सट्रैक्ट फॉर एजिंग, और एक चीज आपने कुछ और बोली थी.
Dear, it's just an example. It can be wrinkles, it can be open pores, it can be dark circle, it can be healing properties, it can be for क्या और skin में problem होती है. It can be for pigmentation, it can be for wound as well, it can be for moles as well, it can be for fine lines as well, it can be for psoriasis as well. There are so many problems we do face in our skin. आप ये सोच के उसको सर्च करो कि आपको सेशन के बाद कौन सी क्रीम बनानी है. ठीक है, तो अगर आप अपने पर्सनल सेल्फ के लिए भी यूज कर रहे हो, सो यू मस्ट हैव समथिंग इन योर माइंड फॉर विच पर्सन इन योर फैमिली यू वांट टू प्रिपेयर योर क्रीम. बाय कंसिडरिंग दैट प्रॉब्लम यू कैन सर्च द एक्सट्रैक्ट फॉर पिगमेंटेशन, एक्सट्रैक्ट फॉर dark circles, extract for puffy eyes, extract for eye wrinkles, extract for fine lines, for pigmentation, for psoriasis, for eczema, for open pores, for suntan, for sunburn, for sun damage. There are so many extracts you will find. You need to write the name of extract, the benefits of that particular extract for skin and for body. ठीक है? So don't be confused with essential oils and extract. दोनों में confuse मत होना. I want extracts, not a essential oils. ठीक है? नाम सेम हो सकते हैं because both comes from a plant only. So if I'm saying a rose extract, so rose can be rose essential oil as well. Okay, so the name is same, but the benefits of both of them is different. So I don't want a rose essential oil, I'll want a rose extract. So I want a details about the extract. Yes, Swati ji.
No, ma'am. No problem. Clear hai. Everything is clear.
Okay. Okay, so guys, let's move forward with the formulation. If you will do this homework, it will be good for you to create so many different varieties of your product. Otherwise, आप बार बार ग्रुप में पूछते रहोगे and आपको भी प्रॉब्लम होगा and maybe I will not be available at that time. So sudden आप वो चीज नहीं कर पाओगे. Let's see the formulation and then we will leave for today. Okay, we are left with the body butters now. Okay, so body butters is very easy. Lotions and creams, I have told you. In body butters, we only need few of the things. That is oil, butters, fragrance and preservative, because we are not adding any water into this and we are not adding emulsifying wax into this because we don't want to bind water and oil. We don't require a stearic acid because we are not adding water into this, so there is no chance for a thin consistency. It is automatically in a thin consistency. Now the percentage of butters will be 40 to 50%, carrier oils will be 40 to 50%, fragrance and preservative is again same. Okay. Now how to calculate the things. Okay, please write the proportions of all these for a while so that while telling you the formulation I will ask you. अच्छा, इसका परसेंटेज लिख लो 5-10 मिनट के लिए, देन आई विल आस्क सीधा फॉर्मुलेशन. Okay, let's prepare a lotion. In these 3 sessions, मैं आपको डेली दो फॉर्मुलेशन रेडी करके दिखाऊंगी, बट बाकी आपको करने हैं. सो आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग अ लोशन है. कौन सा लोशन मुझे बनाना है? For dryness I am preparing here. For dry people basically who's having a dry skin. I am making 100 ml of lotion. Now the first thing is base. How we will calculate this later on. Then is stearic acid. Next, what do we require?
Emulsifying wax. Okay.
Next,
Preservative.
Fragrance.
Pregnancy.
Okay. So the first and most important thing while doing the formulation, we never calculate the base. ठीक है, कोई भी कॉस्मेटिक आप बनाओ, we never calculate the base. Why? Because if you see your products, it's mentioned there base or water. QS. What is QS?
Quantity sufficient.
Quantity standard, or we can say that is the water required for that formulation. We have added that much of percentage. Okay, so let's start with the carrier oils. The percentage of carrier oil. The percentage of carrier oil is in between
6 to 30%.
6 to 30%. Now I am preparing for the person who is having a dry skin. So how much suppose I need to take?
25 to 30.
For the person,
Around 25.
For the person who is having a dry skin, जिसकी dry skin है, उसको मैं oil और butter कितना दूंगी?
30%. 25%.
अच्छा, एक मिनट, कितना परसेंट है? 6 to 30. तो अब उसकी ड्राई स्किन है, तो वी नो दैट उसको ऑयल और बटर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है. तो दोनों को मिला के, या एक ही डाल रही हूँ, वो मेरी चॉइस है, वो हम कल पढ़ लेंगे. तो दोनों को मिला के आई एम एडिंग 30% है. नाउ 30% ऑफ 100 ml विल बी
30 ml.
क्लियर है रुचि जी?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so 30 ml or 30% of 100 ml will be 30 ml. Now coming to the emulsifier, the percentage of emulsifier is in between
3 to 6%.
3 to 6%. So I am taking a 4% here as suppose. So the 4% of 100 ml will be now the stearic acid is in between
3 to 6%.
3 to 6%. So I don't want, sorry, I am making a lotion, but I am adding a fully of oil. It means the water consistency will be low. So I will not take a higher amount of stearic acid. Instead of that, I will add 4 to 5%. So as suppose I'm taking a 4% here. It totally depends upon your creativity. So the 4% of 100 ml will be 4 gram, right? Okay. Now the preservative, the proportion of preservative will be
0.1 to 0.5.
0.1 to 0.5. But we know that in lotion we do add a more of water. Okay, and even we have reduced the amount of oil and increased the amount of lotion because we are preparing it for the person who is having a dry skin. So उस केस में मैं क्या करूंगी? प्रिजर्वेटिव पूरा लूंगी ताकि जो पानी की कंसिस्टेंसी बढ़ाई है उसकी वजह से मेरा प्रोडक्ट रिस्क में ना जाए. So we will add a 0.5% of preservative here. That will be 0.5 gram. Okay. Lastly, we have the fragrance from 0.5 to 1%. So always try to take a fragrance in the lesser amount because it's not suitable for everyone. So I'm taking a 0.5% again of fragrance. So it will be 0.5 ml. Okay. Now calculate, it's 4, 30, 34, 34 and 4, that is 38, and 0.5 and 0.5 is 1. That is 39. Now reduce the 39 from 100. It will be 61 ml. So the base is added as per the quantity standard. It means the amount required for this formulation, accordingly I have added a base into this. Clear? So our lotion is ready for the person who is having a dry skin. Now please write the formulation for cream. So we will prepare a cream as well. Done? Okay. Now I'm preparing a cream for oily skin people. The first thing is base, which is as per the quantity standard, carrier oil or butter. Third is emulsifying wax to mix the oil and butter. The next is fragrance. Then the preservative. I am preparing a cream for oily skin people. The percentage of carrier oil and butter will be in between
20
to 30.
20 to 30.
15
5.
to
20 to 35. So now I am preparing a cream for the oily skin people. It means for the people who is having a oil more into their skin. So I will not put more of oil in my formulation as well. So I'll reduce the quantity. How much?
20%.
20 in between 20 to 25 you can add. That's totally up to your choice. I am adding a I am preparing a 200 gram of cream. 20%, right? So 20% of 200 gram will be
40.
समझ आया ये? ठीक. Now the percentage of emulsifying wax.
6 to 9.
6 to 9%. So I am taking a 7% in between. So 7% of 200 gram will be
14.
Now the fragrance, again I am saying it's same for all and I will not add a more of percentage. Preservative, again
0.1.
Just give me a second. Okay. Now, if we can see that, yes, in creams, the percentage of water is lesser as compared to lotions. But because I'm preparing for the oily skin people, I have reduced the quantity of oils. In that case, the amount of water will get increased. Okay. So, in this way, you need to आपको formulator बनना है. ठीक है? So, I suppose I always give this example in the hotels as well. You go to eat a shahi paneer, and even at home you do prepare a shahi paneer, but you do pay in hotels. Why? Because they have a formulation to prepare a tasty Shahi paneer. So it's just the creativity, the formulation, you know. It's depend how creative you are, how you need, how you do adjust your formulations. So I have reduced the percentage of carrier oils and body butters into this. In this way, I have increased the percentage of water. So again, I will take a 0.5 gram. Clear? 5 gram of 200 will be 1. Sorry, it's 0.5% of 200 gram will be 1 gram. Same here. Clear? Clear? Eh? Okay. Now the calculation 40 and 14 will be 54, 55 and 56. Now, if you want to add stearic acid, you can add. That's totally your choice. कितना आएगा? Base कितना आया?
Base is 44. 144.
144. So I can see that the water proportion is higher because I have decreased the butters in this, and 144 is much. So what I'll do? What I'll do here? I will add a stearic acid. कभी भी products लेके बनाने मत बैठ जाना. First you need to prepare your formulation, so that by seeing that formulation you need to know कि हमें क्या डालना है और what we need to exclude it. So lastly I am adding a stearic acid. The percentage of stearic acid is between 3 to 6, so I am adding a 4%. Suppose it will be 8. Now it will be 136. Done? Clear? Clear with the formulation?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the last thing for today, we can name our product in 3 different way. ठीक है? मार्केट में जो बहुत नए नए नाम आते हैं ना क्रीम्स के, the formulation is same. It's just about the ingredients what you do add. Now, आप स्किन टाइप के हिसाब से you can adjust the product name. First thing, with the skin type. Secondly, with the ingredients name, what you are adding in it. Third, with the problem name. Like if I have prepared a lotion for a dry skin or cream for a oily skin, so oil free skin, oil free cream. ठीक है? अगर if I want to make it with the name of product, so if suppose I have added a carrier oil avocado, so we can name it avocado cream. Third, depends on the problem. If in suppose I have added something in my product for acne, like tomorrow when you come to us with the extracts for acne problem, so in that case what we will do, we will name it a acne cream, acne free cream. So in this variant you need to write and name your product with the ingredients name, problem name or a skin type name. Okay, now जिनको इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम थी उनको फॉर्मुलेशन समझ आ गया? यस नो?
समझ आ गया मैम.
ठीक. यस. ओके. Bovenji, I have explained that how you need to formulate lotions and creams are for the both for all skin type, and how we need to formulate it just by increasing and decreasing the percentage of
base
ingredients we are adding into that. ठीक है? So in lotions we do one more thing. In lotions, creams, we can say the base is oil and water both. ठीक है? But because without oil and water we can't prepare our lotions and creams. Okay, now for tomorrow it's mandatory to do your homework and see the recording once again. It will give you extra beneficial. You can make your notes for the future reference. If you want to take a screenshot of these formulation, you can do that. For today we are end up. We will meet up again tomorrow at the same time with the ingredients overview. Done? Any confusion, queries?
Not for me.
Okay, so for the people who didn't set a good morning in the starting, might be now it's a good for them. Okay, so we will meet up again. Till then, have a good day, be safe and enjoy and have a good lunch.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much.
Bye everyone.
Thank you. Thank you. It was a wonderful.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, dear.